podcast, no?
We are going live. We are live.
Hello everyone, welcome to week 3 of Google Cloud Next 20 on Air Casablanca's podcast. We are in full swing of our interactive and immersive all digital conference, and we hope you and your teams are already benefiting from it. I am Abdurrahman Jaiz.
And my name is Maryam. We hope that you've spent a lovely Eid.
So far, we've brought you dozens of featured content, talks and sessions, plus demos, and one-on-one with expert Googlers. If you missed last week's team, productivity and collaboration, you can catch moments on video on demand.
For last week, we have mentioned that Javier Soletero said that not all jobs can be done remotely, but giving employees the flexibility, not just when and where they work, but also that what tools they use and how they use them will help them prepare them for the employer of the future.
We're building on that with this week's theme, infrastructure modernization. We can learn how Google Cloud is helping enterprises complete their digital transformation journey. One key to success, the elasticity Google Cloud provides.
Yes, as Brad Calder mentioned, the backbone of this elasticity is our network. It is the world's largest and low-latency network, present in 24 regions, 73 zones, in 144 edge locations.
Yeah, the keynote features a trifecta of Google Cloud infrastructure executive leaders, Brad Calder, John Yang, and Sheila Shukla.
Juniang shared their vision for cloud infrastructure is to provide planet-scale distributed infrastructure that has security and reliability built into the platform.
And Shukla said, "We are helping you migrate your workloads successfully and connect you to our secure and global network to take you farther than ever before." We've got 43 wide-ranging breakout sessions this week, from building a large-scale migration factory to Google Cloud, to archiving resiliency on the cloud, and delivering flawless UX for Black Friday and Cyber Monday.
That's right. Even quarantine can't stop us holiday shopping. And remember, we value your feedback. So hit that rate button and tell us how do you like the podcast. Join us again in the next week. That's August 9th at 10 p.m. Moroccan time. We'll be talking all about security. It's a hot topic during COVID-19, especially when we are dealing with untrusted home networks, 10 times and also 10 times of the number of online transactions. And the challenge is how to prioritize your security initiative. Will be also discussing confidential computing when Vice President and Global Manager of Security Sunil Poti will be delivering the security solution keynote. A better, safer, normal. A better, safer, normal. This will be future one of my favorite Googler, Vice President and Chief of Internet Evangelist, one of the fathers of the Internet, Vince Clarke.
Absolutely. I'm a huge fan of Vince, and that's reason enough to register now at g.co/cloudnext for total access to all the new team content dropping this week. And remember, everything we've done is always available on our Facebook page and our YouTube channel. So let's get started. Then tell us what you think.
And make sure to keep the conversation going on social media by using hashtag Google Cloud Next and also hashtag GDG Casablanca and hashtag podcast. Come connect with us, engage with us. We love your conversation in the comments. Discover with us Google Cloud Next on Air Casablanca all along these 9 weeks. Welcome everyone. I'm excited to be back here to talk about how Google Cloud is helping enterprises complete their digital transformation journey. As the global response to the COVID-19 evolves, businesses everywhere are adapting to the ever-changing environment that forces them to think differently. And also their focus with Google Cloud and our focus on Google Cloud is helping you navigate the impact of COVID-19, whether that's helping your employees work remotely or ensuring services are available. And during this time, their customers have embraced the elasticity that Google Cloud provides by either reducing cloud spanners in time of uncertainty or scaling up their usages to meet their digital growth. And the backbone of this elasticity is their network. It is the world's largest and low latency network present in 24 regions, 73 zones, and 144 edge locations. It enables companies like Target, PayPal, Discovery to both migrate existing enterprise workload quickly to GCP and build new transformative application.
Yeah, in addition, it protects Google Cloud against DOS attacks larger than anything that has been reported to date in the industry. And they're continuing to invest in their global network and their global research this year. They have already launched four new cloud regions: Salt Lake City, Seoul, Las Vegas, and Jakarta. And they have announced 9 upcoming regions in the places like Melbourne, Delhi, and Madrid.
Actually, now in addition to providing the scale and elasticity for accessing your data and running your workload, they also allowed you to easily turn them into data insight with their petabyte scale data warehouse Google Cloud BigQuery, and to leverage state-of-the-art machine learning through their AI services.
Yeah, and here at Google Cloud, their goal is to make it easy for anyone to build their own software. So they will deliver on a global scale, reliably and securely. And today, they want to talk about three. I want to talk about 3 areas that are vital to the success of running your business. First is their continued investment in Google Cloud Compute and storage services for running your top-tier enterprise workloads and migrating them to the cloud. Second is their networking and security enhancement for your workload. And third is how they are making it easy and efficient to manage them.
Did you know that cloud is actually underwater? Fiber optic cables connect distant continents along the ocean floor, and 98% of the internet's international traffic travels over these cables. A global network of undersea cables makes it possible to share, search, send, and receive information around the world at the speed of light. The ability to reliably connect is crucial, especially nowadays, when we turn to digital world to work, to socialize, to play, and to learn.
Google's newest subsea cable, Grace Hopper, will connect the United States to the United Kingdom and Spain. We are very proud to name this cable after an inspirational woman, Grace Hopper, a computer science pioneer and Rear Admiral in the United States Navy. Our customers and users will benefit from this cable through better network resilience and reliability. It will join our other private subsea cables in Google's network, those being Curie, Dunant, and Equiano, and it will further connect Google Cloud regions and our users to one another.
The cable will be equipped with 16 fiber pairs and will incorporate advances in optical fiber switching that allow for increased reliability in global communications. It will enable us to move traffic around if demand changes or if there are connectivity issues. This is the first time this technology will be deployed and is part of what makes Grace Hopper so unique. Google is continuously working to advance technologies like this to improve subsea network resiliency.
When it's completed in 2022, the Grace Hopper cable will be one of the first new cables to connect the US and UK since 2003. It will also mark the first investment by Google in a subsea cable route to Spain. We will also be better able to connect America, UK, and the rest of Europe to our Equiano cable, which is currently under construction between Portugal and the west coast of Africa. The Grace Hopper cable will increase capacity on this busy transatlantic global crossroad to power Google services like Meet, Gmail, and Google Cloud.
Google Cloud division is for infrastructure is to provide a plane of scale, distribute infrastructure that has security and reliability built into the firm. Many digital native organizations across every industry have turned to Google Cloud to help them with the digital journey in order to get a robust set of solutions, to develop a better software and deliver innovative experiences.
Yeah, traditional enterprise across the industry are also trusting Google Cloud to run all of their workloads as part of the digital transformation journey they do. Today, we will share several updates targeted at migrating and running mission critical applications on the Google Cloud. At the core of their infrastructure is Google Compute Engine.
With Compute Engine, you can run services at scale without worrying about infrastructures. No reliability worries, no issues, and no one spending times on managing operating system upgrades. And because one size doesn't fit all, they offer you a wide range of VM families to choose from.
Yeah, recently they have introduced efficient virtual machines, or E2, in a global application way. Their latest family of VMs, E2, are cost optimized, general purpose VM featuring dynamic resource management that deliver the best total cost of ownership amongst all of their VM families offerings.
E2 is the fastest growing new VM family on Compute Engine, and now offers new machine types up to 32 VSPUs.
Yeah, E2 is now available across all GCP regions. The N2D VM family is also released, and it's based on AMD chipset, providing excellent price performance, and it is publicly available today.
Moving on to storage, Google Cloud Persistent Disk offers reliable high-performance block storage. It delivers industry-leading price performance for both HDD and SSD to satisfy your needs. Today, we are excited to announce an expanded persistent disk product portfolio, giving you the ability to pick the performance that best suits your workload.
First, balanced PD. It's best suited for most enterprise applications, giving you the best price for general purpose workloads. Second, performance PD. It's suited for customers seeking the best price for IOPS for performance sensitive workload, such as databases or persistent cache. Third, extreme PD. Well suited for the highest performance workloads such as SAP, HANA, or large in-memory databases. Their strategy is about tailoring your storage needs to your workload so that they can deliver on your price and performance needs. Continuing with storage, they recently announced File Store High Scale, a high performance scale out file system to support the workloads such as electronic design automation, video processing, genomics, and financial modeling. With File Store High Scale, which is based on Elastifile technology, user can deploy a share file system with hundreds of and thousands of IOPS, tens of gigabytes of Torof, Toroft, and at scale of hundreds of terabytes.
Now we would like to talk to you about their effort to help you to migrate your application to Google Cloud efficiently so you can take the advantage of the benefit of Google Cloud sooner. Everyone wants the migration to be as painless and as effortless as possible. They want their culture of innovation and partnership to help you easily migrate your on-prem application and infrastructure, and then modernize them as appropriate to drive digital transformation. This is particularly true for traditional enterprise with a lot of legacy workload. Enterprise like Carrefour or Home Depot have migrated their SBU, VMware, and Windows application to Google Cloud to gain agility and reduce cost. To make things easier for you to rapidly migrate your application to Google Cloud, I'm excited to introduce the RAMP program. Actually, what is RAMP, Abdurrahman? Can you tell us?
RAMP is a holistic migration program to provide a clear path to success in the cloud. It offers end-to-end migration guidance, tool sets, training, as well as incentive to help you offset a significant portion of the migration cost. RAMP is also brings together a full suite of tools for every phase of migration to accelerate the migration process. It is publicly available today. For many customers, uh, your on-prem infrastructure may be running on VMware. To make your VMware migration to Google Cloud easy, they recently announced the Google Cloud VMware Engine and an integrated cloud offering that runs VMware's software defined data center softwares on the top of the Google Cloud infrastructure, and it allows you to seamlessly migrate workloads running on virtual machines or infrastructure from the on-prem to Google Cloud without the re-architecting your application or changing the way you manage or run your workloads.
Thank you so much for the explanation. Actually, moreover, once your application has moved to VMware Engine, you have access to Google Cloud innovation and infrastructure, analytics, machine learning, and AI, such as Atos, BigQuery, cloud operation, allowing you to do more than you can imagine.
Deutsche Börse Group is one of the world's leading exchange organizations. We make trade easier, faster and safer by using Google Cloud as the foundations for a scalable, resilient and compliant infrastructure for financial markets. We needed the public cloud to improve agility, drive efficiency and gain access to cutting-edge analytics and AI tools. By using Google Cloud VMware Engine, we were able to spin up a new private cloud in under 40 minutes with minimal disruption, scale our business on demand, and meet our customers' needs while still using VMware tools and our existing processes. It gives us access to innovation while maintaining the same robustness, the same tooling as we have it today, with the benefits of added portability and agility. Google Cloud is so important for our business to unlock further potential for us as a company and for our clients. In the future, we will be able to innovate quicker than we have ever done before, and that's great.
So, looking to stay up to date on all the Google Cloud Next 20 on air, we've got you covered.
We are GDG Casablanca, and this is where you find weekly highlights from the new all digital 9-week Google Cloud Next event. So make sure to follow all our social media so to keep up. So we will be mentioning our five must-watch sessions.
This week's solution keynote, Accelerate Your Digital Transformation Through a Modern Infrastructure, is a hot topic with an in-depth learning by Brad Calder, John Yang, and Sheila Shukla.
Is something blocking you from moving your workload to the cloud?
Learn how to make your migration easier with the demo, Simplify Your Migration to Cloud.
Ask questions and learn from experts in Google Cloud.
Study Jam, this week featuring a hand-on labs walkthrough, getting started, professional cloud architect.
Want to know about the latest innovation in network security?
The breakout session, what's new in the network security on Google Cloud, has the answers for you.
And for diversity, equity, and inclusion session, learn the impact and opportunities of equity engineering and what is it about to develop, led by Dema Rosa Rodriguez.
Yeah, next week we'll be discussing security which is very timely right now. Remember to start building your own custom playlist and populate it with your favorite sessions. And let's keep up the conversation going on social media by using the hashtag Google Cloud Next and GDG Casablanca. See you next week.
Week 3 of Google Cloud Next 20 on Air was all about our best-in-class cloud infrastructure and how to use it easily run your most demanding application. We
Yeah,
share
we
re-
can. Okay.
sorry. We shared
We
recent
can.
enhancements to Google global infrastructure as well as new deployment option and functionality you can take advantages of.
Okay, the new grasshopper subsea cable will connect the US, UK, and Spain when it's commissioned in 2022, and it will be one of the first new transatlantic cables to go live since 23. By taking a service-centric approach to networking and structuring the underlying infrastructure, Private Service Connect makes it easy to connect services across different networks and organizations and protect your network traffic.
Google Cloud Armor helps protect your website and application from exploit attempts as well as distribute denial of service (DDoS) attacks.
The new Rapid Assessment and Migration Program (RAMP) provides a holistic end-to-end migration program that enables a simple and faster path to success for our customers and partners.
Thank you so much for tuning in for this week's podcast. Make sure to check next week of Google Cloud Next 20 on their website. Thank you so much for attending the session, attending the podcast. Please leave your comments, your feedbacks, and make sure to follow us on all our social media. And let's meet next Sunday, inshallah. Have a great weekend. Have a great